Basically, I planted out some brassicas inside this bed.
Cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, what else?
And some lettuce. They're looking droopy and all because of the heat. Yeah, hot summer. I need to do a little harvest. Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. All of my gardening family that has been waiting for this moment. Happy spring garden to you. Yeah. I must say, thank you all so much for the love. I sincerely appreciate it. You have poured out so much into me, and it's such a motivation for me to see all your beautiful comments. Keep them coming. And thank you all so much. All right, so I have the little basket right here. I'm so excited to use it. It's my first time. So yeah, I am just going to get straight to it. I'm under my coconut tree. Yeah. I am just going to get straight to it. Whatever there is in the garden, any at all. So let's get to it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Most of my seedlings are planted out. These are now filled. I don't know, I forgot that one. All of these are filled. Everything is now filled up. I started to transplant strawberries. I planted some callaloo, pink ones inside here, so, and planted some red callaloo there. My chocha tree got so much sunburn because, guys, they were getting little to no attention. So this was the only surviving tomato. The currants that I had, I just put them in there. I'm not sure what is going to happen, but I'm going to plant some melons inside here. So I planted out some pepper and sweet pepper in these containers. I think I showed you the herbs already. My experiment is still alive and well. I just need some food. I think that's what my garden is lacking right now, the food. But I'm getting right to it. I'm actually going to make my liquid fertilizer from kitchen scraps tonight. These pineapples, they need to plant out. Soil is pretty dry. I don't think I've ever watered them since. Zinnias are so pretty. Pretty. Look at this withered down bell pepper, sweet pepper. Still can use, you know. Still can use. I was to pick it up from when. See this bell pepper, sweet pepper here, so coming up. Look at it. So low. All this tomato, you know, from when I was supposed to pick it off. But got these two okra right here, so I'm using one hand, so they are going to fall, and then I pick them up. Fall to the ground. I don't grip it good yet. Alright. Yep. One here, so. This is hillbilly okra. No, not hillbilly. Hill country red. I'll see another one on here, so that this one dried up, so I will get seeds from that. I got two more okras right here. It is pretty hot right now. You can see my shadow in the recording. Pretty hot right now. I think I have another okra somewhere. Yeah, over here, so I remember. This one too. Fall in the basket. That didn't work at all. Now I have this little bell pepper right here. It's a yellow one. Yellow. I have two June plum right here. Boy guys, you miss so many beautiful harvests that I had. I wasn't in the frame of mind to record at all. Now looking back, I wish I did, because you'll be so proud. I'm going to get these colors. Some of them you can see that they're hard. Like this one. I may just put these in the yeah man. These ones definitely going in the compost tea. In my liquid fertilizer. These hard bad man. I just going to leave the stems so that they can shoot out more again. These waited too long. In our saying in Jamaica we say these howl. They are howl. Alright, so I have these. Where's the basket here? So I have these sorrel. I might have to hold on the camera for a bit. Get them. Cut them off. 1 second guys. I think I've shared with you before that these make nice tea. Yeah. So you don't, us Jamaicans, we love sorrel wine or sorrel drink or traditional drink. But you don't have to wait to make sorrel wine. You can have them for tea. It tastes so good and it is very healthy as well. I have a little scotchy here. Alright, so I have these bell peppers waiting on me now. From when? I didn't want to take them out until things kind of straighten out inside. So now is just the right time so the plants can focus on giving me more now. Alright, nice, isn't it? Yeah, I've had some more, you know guys, some beautiful ones. Ew, that's how it is. Once we have health and strength and life, we'll see more. This one got sunburn, but it still can use. It's a red one right here. Yeah, and I have these peppers. This one got sunburn right there, so this is my little harvest for these. Now I'm going to get those greens, those callaloo. Stick mugs. I'm only going to use the leaves off of these. The stems going in my compost. Because no way they are hard. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.